How to log into GlaxoSmithKline Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in GlaxoSmithKline Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Now scroll down and navigate to this one website option. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now scroll down, you will see this option of Access the GSK Information Workplace. Go ahead and click on that option. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the details of your account. First up, type in the username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide the details, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into GlaxoSmithKline Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.